So yeah, 1.5 direct injection turbo, number one cylinder, low compression, get like 90 psi on number one and 150 on the others. But what happens when I put the dipstick in? See, when I put the dipstick in, look over here, and as I push the dipstick down, watch the difference. Watch the difference. Instantly, guys. Watch the difference. Pull the dipstick tube out and look at the smoke go away. Okay, bad piston rings on number one cylinder. So 2016 Chevy Malibu 1.5 direct injection. So what we have, we put the dipstick in, no smoke over there, but as soon as we put the dipstick in, look at the smoke. Wow. So that's what's going on. Yeah, baby. Take it back out. Almost instantly the smoke changes location. Okay? But this engine needs to be pulled, right?